Ready to unleash a whole new level of creativity in your AI artwork? First, you will need to open up Stable Diffusion, navigate to the Extensions tab, then click Install from URL. This is where we will add the address for the Flux AI extension, copy and paste the correct URL into the text box, and click Install once done. Be sure to restart the UI to fully activate the extension. Now, let's explore the Flux AI interface inside Stable Diffusion. You'll find new settings and text input boxes. This is where the magic happens. Flux AI works by intelligently reinterpreting your prompts, adding layers of detail and nuance that Stable Diffusion might miss on its own. Let's talk prompt engineering. Start with a basic Stable Diffusion prompt, something like a futuristic cityscape, neon lights, then copy and paste that prompt into Flux AI's input text box. Experiment with Flux AI as strength slider. Higher values generally lead to more dramatic transformations of the image, but lower values offer subtle enhancements. Click Generate and watch how Flux AI elevates your original idea, rendering richer textures, more complex compositions, and overall, a much more visually arresting final image. Flux AI opens up entirely new avenues for artistic exploration. Start experimenting with different combinations of prompts and settings. See how it handles portraits, landscapes, and abstract art. The possibilities are truly endless. So go ahead, integrate Flux AI into your Stable Diffusion workflow and transform your artistic vision into breathtaking AI-generated realities. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI art tutorials, and leave a comment below sharing your own Flux AI creations.